Hey, Joe at Fabspeed Motorsports USA. Going to have an interesting video for all you Corvette C8 mid-engine fans, showing you what the factory exhaust is, and I'm going to explain it and take it apart for you. At Fabspeed Motorsports, we're exotic car performance experts. We might not be known to a lot of the Corvette guys, but Fabspeed has been in business for over 25 plus years, designing, engineering, dyno developing, street and racetrack testing performance systems for Porsche, Ferrari, McLaren, Lamborghini, and other exotic vehicles. And when the C8 mid-engine car came out, we're stoked. We got on board, one of the first companies in the world to design and engineer exhaust, and we're putting all of our talents into these systems. Here in front of us is the Corvette Z51 NPP factory exhaust. And we've done a lot of destructive and non-destructive testing on Porsche, Lamborghini, McLaren mufflers. And for the Porsche people, this shows our level of dedication. So here's your factory muffler. And here's what happens when you take it apart with a plasma cutter and open it up. And what I want to show you is what you have here is a X pipe in the middle, but it's more like an H pipe. Fabspeed actually went to the trouble to make an investment cast X pipe, H pipe in there. And that's what Corvette did, the group at Tenneco, or whoever made this for General Motors. And what you can see is the exhaust comes through these two pipes. Insulation here and here. Fabspeed went way above and beyond with 2200 degree ceramic insulation to keep everything in there. And then the exhaust basically goes through this H pipe in there, crosses over, so the exhaust comes over, goes over and under, and then this pipe goes down this way, and it goes out to the valve. This electronic valve, when it opens and shuts, it lets the exhaust come out. What's interesting, ladies and gentlemen, if you come over here, there's these little holes right here, and these holes are 19.6 millimeter. They're bypass pipe hole. So when this valve snaps shut, the exhaust has got to get out and somehow escape. So there are 4 small holes. They're about less than 1 inch in diameter, so they're 0.77 inches. It's hard to read upside down. 19.6 millimeters, and the exhaust comes through the 4 holes, fills this chamber up, and then the pressure finally lets the exhaust go out these outlet pipes. So if you look closely, there's an outlet pipe here, and there's an outlet pipe here, and so when the exhaust comes through these bypasses, when the valves are shut, now it finally allows the car to exhale. Really restrictive, but got the job done for General Motors on the C8 Corvette platform. And what's interesting is this is a really heavy boat anchor. I forget what the weight off the top of the head, but we made a lightweight X pipe. We also were the first company in the world to pioneer plug and play electronic valves. So if you have the Z51 NPP exhaust, Fabspeed was the first company in the world to offer that alternative. Anyway, please check us out online. You can see our passion burns deeply for exotic cars, and in particularly the new mid-engine Corvette platform and all future Corvettes. I have a Z06 on order, and we're really excited to be a part of the Corvette community and support the brand. I've had 66 big block coupe and convertible double top cars. My father had a 63 split window, and I had a 78 silver anniversary. And unfortunately, I bought an 84 Corvette, but I mean, Corvette's doing wonderful things, and I hope this shows you that our passion burns deep for exotic cars. So check us out online at fabspeed.com.